seeing as I put a piece of metal here, I figured I might as well put all my welding magnets on here for now. And I remember a while back, Arco from Outlaw Edge Customs online asked people, how do you keep your magnets clean? So one of the things I'm doing is cleaning all my magnets because they picked up quite a few nasties. So I don't have the most expensive collection of magnets in the world, but this is how I clean magnets. Take a wire brush and hold on. Let me pause for a second. So anyway, like I was saying, I don't have a million magnets, but I keep them clean by using one of these things. And since I don't really have a normal place to put them, they were everywhere. So now I'm going to clean them off because they don't really stick. I don't know where I got half of these magnets, but a lot of them are just like $10 sets of magnets. I think those ones are becoming borderline useless because they don't really stick that good. This little set here I've had for a long time. Bought it a long time ago. I don't know where the hell I got it, but they seem to work okay. When you're cleaning magnets with a wire brush, make sure you wear a set of gloves because nobody really likes getting stabbed in the hand. These ones I bought recently. I've actually used them quite a bit. They're brand new. I think I bought them at Harbor Freight, or either Harbor Freight magnets or Runnings in the US. This has got to, see, you got to clean them off from hacksaw blades because they just tend to, so yeah, just clean them off like that. Gets all the gunk out. And ta-da! Some of these magnets I've had for 10, 15 years. Like I said, I don't, see, like that one's had a little bit of charring, a little bit too close. They don't, sometimes the heat kills them, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, these ones are kind of dirty, kind of. So yeah, get to watch me clean magnets in this whole video. Because I'm going to make a video and clean every single one of these magnets. Right now, that's what I'm doing. And you could use power tools. You can use an air compressor. I haven't really used my air compressor a lot lately. Because it's just late at night, it's over there, it's noisy. My old garage. Plus I haven't done a lot with it lately. I've been doing a lot of things that don't really require air compressor. So that's probably why. Those little ones suck. This one's the big Berger magnet. I have to replace this because it wasn't working very good. Frick. So anyway, by now you probably get the idea. I have a feeling there's a big round magnet in there because you see where all the iron is. Probably tell by now I have lots of dirty magnets. And no, I didn't just throw them all over the floor just for this video. I could have. I didn't throw them on the floor because half of them already fell on the floor. But I'm probably going to put a piece of flat bar on my wall, maybe back here, and put them all in there because if I leave them here and I use the grinder, they're all going to get grinding shit all over them. So this is just a temporary thing for now. Just for a temporary solution. Put that on there. Anyway, I'll spare you the rest of the video. Thanks for watching. These are all my magnets. I think I have a few more somewhere else. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.